Hello and good morning, everyone. I'm here with an update for Troncase.pro. Today is August 25th, 2021, and we haven't completed an update for Troncase Pro in a while, so we just wanted to check in to see how our investment is going. Let's do this first. Let's check the contract on tronscan.org. Right now, the balance of Troncase is 22,425,589.09 TRX. That's the equivalent of 1,919,443.661 US dollars. To date, they've had 36,646 transactions. And the total contributed amount is 53,316,714. The current bonus amount is 1.5, and they're just one member under 20,000 for active participants in this contract. I know that there's another contract out there. It's Troncase 2 or something like that. I just wanted to let you know, I think they're actually using the same contract. I looked for something last week, and so when I did look at TronScan, what I found interesting that the creator was the same, and the smart contract address seemed to be the same, if I can't recall. So they might just have two addresses that are going to the same contract, and that's fine. So I know people were saying that one was better than the other, but I think they're exactly the same. But check that out for yourself. There's two different Telegram groups about it, and it might have it on there. So when I was doing a sort of deep dive last week, I noticed that, and I meant to mention that in one of my update videos, but it slipped my mind. So there we are. Okay, so just to give you an update of where we started, we deposited 100 TRX into this smart contract probably a little over a month ago. What we've earned is 1,450.02. What's been withdrawn is 1385.8 TRX. And the 1385 is actually from referrals. So that actually, those amounts went directly to the wallet. It was nothing for me to do. It just automatically bypassed and went to the wallet. So your actual earnings from referrals is not going to be calculated into your ROI. So that's really good. So you don't have to kind of check it every day to see if you've gotten anything extra. Right now, we have available to withdraw 64.2227. We're going to not withdraw today because we want to keep this hold bonus. I probably won't withdraw until this actually reaches 115 or 125 available to withdraw. We'll see. I just like to just see how this grows and just continue to share the referral link. It's growing slowly, but that's fine. At least it's not losing anything. So that's always a plus. Right now, TRX is trading at 8 cents. So we're wanting to at least double the investment that we have in this smart contract. So I'll keep you up to date. We'll probably check back in with this smart contract in about a week. And what I'd like for you to do is, if you have a referral link, if you've invested in the Troncase Pro smart contract, go ahead and share your link with me if you are a subscriber to this channel, and also a member of the Facebook group. Drop your link. I'll be happy to share it on a future recap video. And I'd like for you to be reminded that we don't want you to invest anything that you can't afford to lose. And thank you for following me on my personal journey to let you know what smart contracts are all about.